Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make your own sound in TikTok. So this video is on me teaching you guys how you guys can make your own sound, and it's pretty simple. It's not as complicated as you can. You just need to not use any music when you're uploading videos in TikTok, and it just created your own sound. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? Now, to make your own sound in TikTok, first you need to upload a video. So I've already uploaded a video over here, as you guys can see, and on that video make sure you are not using any music. Even if you're using a music, make sure it's a copyright free music. If it is a copyrighted music, so let's say I use the music of Justin Bieber on my video, then I cannot make that sound my own. You need to use music which has no copyright in it. Alright, so this video is my own video and only has my audio, doesn't has any music on it. So I can click on the little spinning icon at the bottom right of my screen. You can see a little spinning icon. I can click on it, and at the top right you can see a little pencil icon. Once you see that, that's basically my own sound. Now I can click on it to name it my own sound. So I can name it Hero. So I'm going to name this sound Hero and click on save at the top right, and as you guys can see, it has changed the name. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can, make your own sound in TikTok. Just upload a video with whichever sound you want to upload on TikTok. Just make sure that video doesn't has any copyrighted music playing on it, and basically you have done it. The audio which the video has is gonna be your sound. So yeah, that's basically how to make your own sound in TikTok. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.